Hey y'all, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. It's your girl Tiffani Tinesse, and you have made it to my channel. Where have you been? I've been waiting on you to come to this video. Say hello, hit the like button, hit subscribe, of course, and leave a comment. Like, we're here to be friends, we're here to stay. This is what it's gonna be, so let's just embrace it. In this video, we're gonna be going over the It's My Raye Raye palette. Y'all, this palette is so freaking good. Like, I don't even know. Raye, can you help us out here? Like, can you help us out? What were you thinking when you made this palette? Like, let us know. I'm just confused. I want to know, like, why did you select these random colors to put in this palette that work so well together, that gives you like the best? But it's by BH Cosmetic. I picked it up today from Ulta. Looks like this. It has 15 eyeshadows, 3 contour shades, and 3 highlighting shades. And to be honest, everything in this palette is friendly. Like, let's be real. This is a palette that you can take anywhere and have a whole face, minus your foundation. But yeah, you can really do a lot with this with it. If you're interested in, you know, watching how she works for me, go ahead and stay tuned. I'm looking here into my mirror, so we're gonna dip into the It's My Raye Raye palette. I think I'm gonna start with Spice. Oh, she got a mirror. Hey, that's what she said. Hey, yeah, this thing has a mirror. I can't even, like, hey, really soft. Just using Spice as a crease color. Really cute. Okay, I like Spice. It's really subtle and a really nice crease color. So y'all know I want to use Tiffany, right? Is that cliche of me? Does that make me cliche? It probably does. I don't care. Oh, I love this Spice. Spice is it, yo. Are y'all seeing this? Like, are y'all seeing what Spice is doing for me? Hey, let's turn up on Spice real quick. But these, I got these off Amazon. I just thought they were cute for this tutorial, doing a little pink, bringing her pink into that. But I'm not gonna use this one because this one is way too big. I'm gonna actually, I supposedly washed my brushes the other day, and I swear some of them like ran away. Like, I washed them and I don't know what happened to them. Some of them just disappeared. Like, what the fuck? Pardon my French head. Pardon my French head. Ooh. I'm just gonna pop that like into the crease. Okay, so the shadows are really nice. They're super soft. I'm not getting very much fallout. I am getting a little bit on the palette, but it's not very much on my face, so I'm okay with that. Yes. Okay, Raye Raye. Like, who remembers It's My Raye Raye, like, way back in the day? Like, do y'all remember It's My Raye Raye way back in the day? Like, when she would come on and be like, a boom boom tick, a boom boom tick, a boom boom tick, a boom boom tick. It's my Raye Raye. I don't even know. Like, it's super cute. Super pigmented, like a red. Give it to him something spicy. Alright, now we're gonna go into Friday. Now I'm gonna take Friday and just dab her right on the corner. And just kind of flush it in. Black Beauty is cute. You see Black Beauty on here? Black, that's called Black Beauty. Because I'm crazy. And Black Beauty is cute. We're gonna dip into that joint. Oh, I deepened it with Black Beauty. That's dope. Y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I don't think y'all do. Bow. Bow. So we're gonna go back in with a little bit of spice. Oh, I love that. I love that, y'all. This hair palette is brown girl friendly. Oh, y'all not seeing this. Like, the more I freaking play, the more it's blending. I can't, like, y'all ain't seeing this. So this is me right here. This is me. Tiffany. Oh, Tiffany's cute. So that's me. That's Tiffany. That's Fairy Tale there. And that's Angel. But again, since my name is Tiffany, we're gonna go ahead and go in with Tiffany. It only makes sense. Oh, nice. I'm a little sick, y'all. Okay, so that's it. Oh. That is too cute. I'm just gonna keep it on my mobile leg. And we're just gonna do her like it. Too cute. Too freaking cute. All right. Yeah, I think we satisfied on these. I have never been done with my eyes this quick, y'all. And it's because of this palette. Like, and the palette is dope. Like, do y'all see this? Y'all are not seeing this. Like, I did that in less than 5 minutes. It never takes me less than 5 minutes to do an eye look. Like, let's be real. Now, what I've been really anticipating is these highlighters and that bronze and the contour at the bottom. One of my friends, Jewel, actually asked me about contour. I really don't contour that much. So when I saw this palette and it had an array of contours, highlights, like 3 highlights, 21 shadows, a mirror, like we have a mirror, and we got our highlights and contours. You know how much this palette costs? This palette's only $22.50. I went to Ulta yesterday and picked her up, and I had a 20% off coupon. You know I used that right. My palette ended up being $19 and I think 50 cents. $19.50. Less than $20, because $20 is my magic number. If it's $20, throw it in the bag. I think I'm gonna do a real quick liner. Alright, so this liner I use today is a felt tip liner. Anything felt tip is what I do. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and swatch these highlighters for you. That's Moonlit. Oh, look at that. Moonlit is the white one, yo. That came from the white one. I know I'm looking crazy right now and it's better like this. But I'm shocked. Like, Moonlit is the white one. I love that highlighter. It's literally gold. The one in the middle. That. Yeah, I'm gonna use French toast. French toast. Going in with the Morphe brush. It came out of their kit. I'm gonna go ahead and start with Brownie Bite to contour. Now I heard Brownie Bite was the bee's knees, like you only needed a little bit. Okay. Oh, Brownie Bite. Let me keep it back here. Brownie Bite. Brownie Bite is taking inches, I mean pounds off of my body. Like, let's push this back a little bit. Get down like that. We just bring it around the forehead and really concentrate in the hollows of the cheeks. Yes. Oh, y'all better. I'm gonna go ahead and go. I'm scared, y'all. I don't know. I mean, so many options. I don't know who to choose. We're gonna go for the gold, and we just gonna go ahead and go for Moonlight. Oh! I'm gonna be looking down here in this mirror right here, cause y'all even had me looking crazy, and I'm sitting here thinking I'm cute, man. Oh, I love her. Hitting up under the brow a little bit. Oh my goodness, are y'all seeing that? Is it catching? Tripping. Yeah, I hear the garbage truck outside. That's my garbage people picking up my trash. Okay, so I'm liking that. I am really liking that. All right, so we feeling a little spunky. We're gonna go ahead and double up on our highlights. Fuck it. Oh, y'all better. French toast is dope. We're gonna swap it right down the nose. And right in the nose. Oh, I look French toast though, like. Again, this is it's my Raye Raye palette. Super easy. Comes with a mirror. If you don't have it, this is like a good everyday palette for you to have. This is a must-have in your collection. Like, how do you close it? Alright, so if you like what you saw in this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yet again, if you haven't done it, we know how that goes. If you made it to the end, please leave me a little heart in the comment box just to let me know that you made it to the end. I just think that's just so cool. If you made it to the end of this video, let me know. Like,